Yeah. So good morning, guys. Is it audible to all of you, please? Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Is it audible to all of you, please? Can you confirm in the chat box, please? Okay, fine. So please, if you have any questions, okay, do you have any questions? Middle of the session, please chat with me. Okay. If anybody talk to me, please. If anybody want to talk to me end of the session, yeah, we can. Yeah, please. So today, please. Fine. So today our agenda is what is an ansible. Okay. So why we're gonna be learning an ansible. Sorry, not Ansible, AWS. So today our agenda is please AWS. Fine. Okay. Before starting the session, please let me introduce myself. Okay, my name is Lakshmi Rao. I have totally more than 10 years of experience in IT. Okay, so my career starts with as a Java programmer. Okay, then so from the last 5 years onwards, I'm working as a senior DevOps engineer as well as AWS architect. That is what exactly my profile. Okay. Okay. So before starting the session, please, I have a few questions. Okay. Please let us clarify with that. Then we'll start our demo session. Okay. My first question is, please, what is application? Please. What are the first question, guys? Please. What are the first question, guys? Please. What is application? Please. Anybody, please. Do you have an idea? Please. Anybody, please chat with me. What is an application? What is an application, please? That is my first question, please. Anybody, please, in the chat box. What is an application? Please. Okay. A Flipkart. Okay. So Flipkart is a website. Okay. Facebook is an application, is a website. Redbus, it's a website. Okay. Everybody knows this. Okay. Flipkart, Facebook, Redbus. Okay. These are all the websites. These are all the we calling as a website. But what is an application, guys? Please. What is an application, guys? Please. That application also we calling as websites. That's it. Okay. So what is an application, guys? Please. The working software. The working software which is written any programming language like Java, .NET, Python, or any programming language, guys. Please. Okay. The working software. So which is written any programming language we call as an application. I'll repeat. What is an application, guys? Please. The working software which is written any programming language we call as an application. Okay. That application, guys, please. That application we're gonna be deploying onto the servers. We're gonna be deploying onto the servers. We're gonna be deploying onto the servers, either physical servers or virtual servers or a cloud servers, that AWS or Azure or Google, doesn't matter. Okay, we can able to get server, either physical servers or virtual servers or cloud servers. Okay, On top of the servers, we're going to be deploying our working software as an application. Then we can able to access our internet through our browser as a website, like a Flipkart, like a Facebook, like a Redbus. Okay, I hope you understood what exactly application. What is an application, guys? Please, the working software which is written in any programming language, we can able to deploy onto the servers. Then we can able to access our internet as a website through browser. It is exactly application. It is exactly application. Guys, very clear. Okay, to maintaining this application, to maintaining this application, to maintaining this application, we required a infrastructure. But tell me, what is infrastructure, right? Please, anybody, please. What is infrastructure? Infrastructure. What is infrastructure? What is infrastructure? What is the meaning of infrastructure? For example, to maintain our office, what infrastructure required? AC, chairs, cubes, and so many things we required, computers, so many things, so many infrastructure required to maintain properly your office. The same way, to maintain your home, what infrastructure required? Chairs, beds, boom, AC, refrigerator, washing machine. These are all the things required to maintain properly your home. The same way, my question is very clear. To maintain our application, what kind of infrastructure we require? Please listen very carefully. Okay, I'll repeat. So to maintain properly our application, what kind of infrastructure we require? So that infrastructure required, the first thing is, guys, please, okay, servers. We required a servers, guys, please. We required a servers to maintain our application properly. What kind of infrastructure? Servers. The next thing is networking, please. Network. The third thing is, guys, please, databases. Databases. And the fourth thing is, guys, please, storage. Listen very carefully. Okay, these four infrastructure, these main, not all, please, this major and main infrastructure required to maintain our application properly. Yes, please. I hope you understood very clear. I hope you understood very clear. But how can able to get this infrastructure? How many ways, please? How many ways, guys, please? How many ways to get above infra, please? Above infra. That's it. How many ways to get above infra, please? Above infrastructure. The first thing is, guys, please, physically we can able to get this infrastructure physically, virtually, please, and cloud. That too, AWS or Azure or Google, doesn't matter. So either by AWS or Google or Azure, the same infrastructure we can able to get. Yes, I hope you understood very clear. So we can able to get this infrastructure either in a physical form or virtual form and cloud. Okay. And what is the difference between physical environment and virtual environment and cloud? What are the difference between these three? We will discuss on tomorrow's class, not today. Okay. What is the difference between these three? What is the distinct of these three? Physical environment versus virtual environment versus and cloud environment. So we will going to be discussing about tomorrow, not today. Okay. So today our agenda is what is AWS? What is AWS. That is exactly today our agenda. Yes, please. So what is AWS, guys, please? By helping of AWS, we can able to get this infrastructure and we can able to maintain properly our application. That we understood, right? What we understood, guys, please? Why we are using cloud? Why we are using cloud, guys, please? What is the cloud, guys, please? What is the cloud? What is the cloud? What is cloud, guys, please? By helping of cloud, we can able to get infrastructure and we can able to maintain our application properly, like Flipkart and like Facebook and Redbus kind of applications. Okay, got this? I hope you understood. Very clear. Got this? Very clear. Then right now let us start. What is cloud? Right now, please let us start. Please, what is cloud? Right now, let us start. Let us start. What is cloud, guys? Please. So cloud is nothing but, please. What is cloud, please? The cloud, as of now we discussed, cloud is nothing but an internet. Nothing else is there. The cloud is nothing but an internet. What are the computing power, guys? What is the computing, please? So anybody help me, please, in the chat box. What is the computing, please? Computing power in your laptop, please. What is the computing power in your laptop, please? So what are the computing power, please? Anybody help me? RAM, CPU, motherboard, disk. Yes, please. Okay. Motherboard, disk. This we calling as a computing power, guys, please. The cloud is nothing but internet. The computing is nothing but what exactly? Your hard disk, RAM. This we calling as, guys, please. But what we calling is cloud computing. What are the meaning of cloud computing exactly? What exactly the meaning of cloud computing? Please listen very carefully. The cloud computing in the sense of if we can able to access the remote placed resources, our internet from a laptop is nothing but a cloud computing. I'll repeat. Listen very carefully. The remote placed RAM or CPU or a server or a network or a storage or a database, anything, if we can able to access our internet from your laptop through internet is nothing but cloud computing. So my question is here, please, can able to access your friend's laptop RAM? Can able to use, please? Say yes or no. Can able to use a friend laptop RAM, please? Please. Can able to use your friend's laptop RAM from your laptop? Please say yes or no. Please, quickly in the chat box, please. I'm waiting for your answer. No? Say yes or no. Are you there, guys? Please, in front of the screens. Really? Answer is no. If we can, that is the cloud. If we can, that is the cloud, guys, please. If we can, that is the cloud. If we can, that is the cloud. But if you want to become a cloud provider, so what are the rules and regulations we have to follow? If you want to become a cloud provider, then what are the rules and regulations we have to follow? So we have 3 types, please. 5 essentials, 3 service models, and 4 deployment models, guys. Totally we have, please, 3 kinds of rules. What are the first one, guys, please? 5 essentials. 5 essentials, guys, please. What are the first one, guys, please? On demand. On a demand, please. Broad network access. Resource pooling, please. Resource pooling, guys, please. And rapid elastic. Measure the services, guys, please. Totally we have so 5 essentials. to mitigate cloud provider. Yes, please. If you want to drive a car, some set of rules are there. The same thing happens. If you want to providing a cloud services, we have to follow some mitigations. So, for example, on one, what is on-demand, guys, please? Whenever I want a server, the server immediately ready for your work. That we calling as a on-demand. So I'm going to be asking you one question in this. Can you able to get a laptop? Can you able to buy a laptop within a minute? Really, please? Can you able to buy a laptop within a minute? It will take minimum 1 day. Really, please. How much time it will to get a laptop? If you order in your Amazon or Flipkart, how much time to deliver to you, please? So within a minute, can able to work with your laptop, buying and using? No, it is not possible, Shivakumar. Please try to understand that. Okay, let us think about server. If you're going to be adding the server, how many days it will take to deliver a vendor people delivering into the data center? It will take couple of weeks, couple of days, the same. But what cloud says, guys, please? Whenever a server wants, quickly, as soon as possible, the server is immediately ready for your work. That is exactly cloud. That is exactly cloud. Okay, that is exactly cloud. And broad network access. What are the broad network access, guys, please? So, which I'm creating servers in the cloud, which I'm creating in the server, guys, please. These are all the servers which I'm creating the servers. These servers, if we can able to log in, if we can able to getting into the server from a laptop by helping of internet, it is nothing but a broad network access. What are the broad network access, guys, please? Which you already created the servers in the cloud. Those servers, if we can able to access, we can able to log in from anywhere in the world through internet from a laptop, is nothing but a broad network access. Okay, nothing, simply creating servers, getting into the server. That's it. That is 2 points quickly. Immediately, as soon as possible, within a minute, we can able to create a servers. Those servers we can able to access from a laptop. That's it. That is the point. Simple point. Okay. So resource pooling. Resource pooling is another word we calling as a duplication. Please, guys, please, I'm going to be asking you one question. Can we able to duplicate a laptop, please? Can you able to duplicate a laptop, please? Can you able to duplicate a laptop, please? Yes or no? No, it is not possible like a Xerox machine. It is not possible. And can I able to Xerox your laptop? No, it is not possible. It can't duplicate. But in the cloud, yes. My answer is yes. In the cloud, yes. We have a server in the cloud. The n number of servers we can able to duplicate because if it is in a virtual form, it is a logical form, it is not a physical form. The cloud is always in the virtual form, it is not in physical form. That's it. So it is a logical form. That is the reason we can able to duplicate n number of copies. If we have a one server, the server we can able to duplicate n number of times, like a Xerox machine. It is possible in the cloud, not in the physical. Okay, fine, very good. So what is elastic? Have you heard about elastic word in the life? Elastic, rubber band. Elastic. Who exactly works, guys? Please, rubber band, please. Extendable and increasing, decreasing your size. Okay. The same concept, guys, please. Our cloud infrastructure we can able to increase or decrease or at any point of time. So, for example, laptop has 4 GB. Can you able to increase immediately within a minute? Is it possible to increase or decrease as soon as possible? No, it is not possible, guys. Can able to, whenever I want to quickly, can able to increase or decrease your RAM size, your laptop? No, it is not possible. But in this cloud, yes, it is possible. So that means what I'm trying to tell you guys, please, our cloud infrastructure automatically increasing or decreasing automatically our cloud infrastructure automatically increasing, decreasing based on our customer load. For example, Flipkart server in Flipkart upload, please, our customers load is today today 5 lakhs. It is normal business day, 5 lakhs people. Normal business day. As of now, we required. As of now, we required 2 servers. 2 servers we require. 2 servers we require. But tomorrow is a big sale day. Tomorrow is a big sale day. Okay, tomorrow is a big sale day. But definitely the customers will be increasing into 10 lakhs. Okay, 10 lakhs. That means automatically our servers will be increasing 2 plus 2, 4 we require. If you do manually, it is not possible in overnight, guys. We can't able to make it ready to 1 more 2 servers overnight. But in the cloud, yes. Okay, that is what exactly cloud. So I'll repeat this point, guys, please. What is the elastic, guys, please? Elastic is nothing but, so we can able to increasing, decreasing our infrastructure at any point of time based on our customer load. Okay, example is Flipkart. Okay, so which we are using this resources in the cloud, we have to pay a bill monthly. The cloud is a rental service. The cloud is a rental service. It is not buying and selling. That is the reason we taking a rental service, a rental databases, rental resources. For that, we have to pay amount monthly wise, like your mobile bill, like your electricity bill. The same concept. So we have to fulfill this rules. Yeah. Fine. Next thing, please. So 3 service models, guys, please. 3 service models: SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. SaaS is nothing but what exactly? Software as a service. PaaS is nothing but what exactly? Platform as a service. Yes, please. IaaS in the sense of what, please? Infrastructure as a service. Yes, please. Infrastructure as a service. Yes, please. Okay, please. I hope you understood very clearly. So SaaS is nothing but software as a service, which we already deployed. Guys, please. We develop a software. Okay. The software we deploying a cloud, the software is providing service to the public. The Flipkart is an example, guys. And Facebook is an example. So the cloud, what exactly? So we are building a software. The software we are keeping in a cloud side. The software is providing service to the public. That is nothing but a SaaS. Its example is Flipkart is a software servicing into the public from the cloud. That is exactly SaaS. Platform as a service: Java platform, .NET platform, Python platform. So the cloud gives you Java as a platform to the developers, Python platform as a to the developer. For example, if you want to execute a Java program, we require a first hardware layer, second operating system layer, third thing software layer, then configuration, then execute. But what cloud says, guys, please don't worry about hardware layer, operating system layer, software layer, and settings. So we take care all of these. We are providing a as a service. These are all things: hardware layer or software layer and operating system layer. All together, we providing a service called platform as a service. Then developers directly executing a code without worry about these are all the list. Okay, I hope you understood what is the PaaS and what is IaaS, infrastructure as a service, which you already discussed right now. What is infrastructure, guys, please? Guys, please, can you repeat one more time in the chat box? What is infrastructure? To maintain our application servers, network, storage, databases. Those are all things we calling as infrastructure. That infrastructure as a service. The cloud gives you infrastructure as a service. We are getting fine. Fine, guys, please. Infrastructure as a service. Okay. So as a AWS engineer, as a DevOps engineer, as a Linux, any infra admin comes under this part. We are not part of SaaS. We are not part of PaaS, but we are part of SaaS. As a DevOps engineer, as a AWS engineer or Linux, Azure, any infra admin, comes under in IS. IAS. That's what exactly. Okay. So the third thing is 4 deployment models, guys, please. Public, private, community, and hybrid. So which we exactly deploying our application, guys, please. Which we exactly deploying our application, we require a infrastructure, a RAM, CPU, motherboard, what exactly. So that infrastructure we're going to be getting from public or private or community and hybrid data centers. So public in the sense of what, guys, please, which we're going to be deploying our application on public resources. Public resources. For example, if we have an application, you have an application, my application, our both application we're going to be deploying onto the same resources, same hardware, same RAM, same CPU. That means the hardware, the resources will shareable to the multiple applications. Multi-hosting on a same resources is nothing but a public. What are the private? Tomorrow I'm going to be start a financial business. My application should be specifically deploying on a specific resources like a specific RAM, specific hardware, specific server. That is nothing but a private. So which is not shareable to multiple applications. It is dedicated to use the particular application, particular website. That is nothing but a private. Okay. So hybrid is nothing but the combination of public and private. The combination of public and private is nothing but a hybrid. Some servers in the cloud, some servers in the on-premises. The combination of both we calling as a hybrid service. Hybrid data centers also. And community panel. The community is nothing but, so no one is using right now. It is using for futuristic, for DRDO, ISRO, NASA, those kind of people comes under community. That's what exactly. Then, so if you can able to mitigate, if you want to mitigate these rules and regulations, if you mitigate these rules and regulations, then we can say we are the cloud providers. We are the cloud provider. What I'm trying to tell you guys, please. So AWS or Azure, any cloud provider has to mitigate these rules and regulations. Then they can say, I am cloud provider. Yes, please. I hope you understood very clearly. Okay, what is the cloud provider? What are the rules and regulations they have to follow? We understood very clearly. Fine, very good. Then, so tell me again, please. What is the cloud, please? What is the cloud, please? Anybody help me? What is the cloud? The remote place resources, if we can able to access the remote place, it is maybe in US. You are in India. You are in India. Your servers in US. Yes, please. If we can able to access the remote place resources or internet from your laptop is nothing but a cloud. Is nothing but a cloud. The cloud gives you only service. The cloud gives you only service. Guys, please clarify with me. So which is easy for you? Build and use and select the news. Which is easy for you? Earning money, spending money. Which is easy for you? Buying car or rental car. Which is easy for you? Buying car or rental car. Which is easy for you? Rental car. That means select the news. That means what I'm trying to tell you, please. Cloud is a rental services. The cloud is a rental service. Either servers or network or storage or database. We can able to get rental resources and we can able to deploy easily our application. That is nothing but a select the needs. Yes, please. I hope you understood very clearly. So let us understand what is the cloud in a rental base. So for example, if you want to reach your railway station from your native place, from your home, you want to reach your railway station, but you want to reach your railway station by using car. But how many ways to get a car, please? You want to get a car. How many ways? 2 ways. Only buying a car or rental car. Which is easy for you guys, please? Buying car, rental car. Buying car, rental car. Which is easy for you for reaching a railway station? Your purpose is very simple. Reaching your railway station. That's it. That is your purpose, actual purpose. Okay. For that, are you going to be buying a car or rental car, please? Rental car. rental car, guys. So if you buying a car, what will happen? We have to spend the capital first. Upfront amount we have to keep capital minimum 5 to 10 lakhs. Then you require a driving license. You require a RC. You require a pollution check, an insurance copy. And if you don't have driving, you can't able to drive. Require one driver also. So and maintenance car is very difficult for reaching a railway station. But rental car not like that. So not required driving license not required, RC not required, insurance copy is not required, pollution check is not required. Directly you can able to book your Ola cab or Ubera. Then within 5 minutes the car is available at your doorsteps, and getting into the car, reach your railway station, purpose resolved. Please, that's it. And catch you train, you reach your destination. That's it. That is exact. The same kind of here. What exactly you want, guys? Please, you want to declare application. For that, buying a service or rental service. If you want to buy a service, what will happen? Buying a server, we have to keep in a data center. We have to maintain a data center. Who will pay the rent, guys? Please, the rent for every month we have to pay the data center, and we have to pay current bill for ACs. We have to pay employee salaries. Very difficult, guys. Please. Buying servers very easy, but maintenance very difficult by data centers. So that is the reason the current industries wants to move cloud, because of there is no headache for maintenance. Directly they're going to be getting resources like servers, network, databases, and they're going to be deploying an application. How much tariff monthly they're going to be paying? That's it. That is what exactly. Select, then use. Select, then use, guys. Please. I hope you like it. Then so right now we're going to be talking about AWS. So up to right now, cloud. Either we're going for AWS or Azure or Google, doesn't matter. Okay, all cloud people providing the same kind of resources only. Guys, please, what is the difference between Azure and AWS? The difference between Azure and AWS is like what is the difference between Flipkart and Amazon? What is the difference Flipkart and Amazon? The same concept here also. The product is same, but providers are different. The same. Okay, let us talk about AWS. Amazon Web Services we calling as a AWS. Okay, it is started 2002, please, and the first service introduced in S3 bucket. It is the first cloud provider. It is a first cloud provider, guys, please. Okay, so by helping of AWS, please, we can able to provide and we can able to get a infrastructure for maintaining our application. For getting a infrastructure to maintaining our application, guys, please. So these are all major. It is a top view of our AWS. It is a top view of AWS. It is a high level diagram, guys. It is a high level diagram. It is a high end diagram. So which you see here is AWS. It is outer line is AWS. Okay. It is second line is network. It is VPC is nothing but a virtual private cloud. EC2 is nothing but a servers. RDS is nothing but a databases. S3 is nothing but a storage. To maintain our application, these four infrastructure very required. So what I'm trying to tell you is, please. So servers means what? Servers means what, please? EC2. Network means what exactly it is? VPC. Database is nothing but what exactly, please? RDS. Storage is nothing but what exactly, please? S3. That's it. That's it, please. Okay, I hope you understood very clearly. So let us understand this one by one clearly. So let us talk about the VPC. So what are the meaning of VPC, guys, please? What are the meaning of VPC? VPC is nothing but what? VPC is nothing but what, please? VPC is nothing but a virtual private cloud. VPC is nothing but a virtual private cloud. Okay. So for your understanding, please. So everybody knows how exactly works your office network. Everybody knows how exactly works your office network. Please. So physical network. Your office has physical network. And that is a private area. In your office, your laptops, we can able to access your laptops, your systems in your office after getting into the office zone. But outside world can able to access? No. That is a private area. But your office network is a private area, the physical network. But the same kind of network we can able to get from our internet, from AWS cloud by helping of VPC. The VPC gives you a virtual private network. A virtual private network. For your understanding, Facebook is anybody can access, guys, please. Facebook can anybody can access, but your home page locked, your photos, your videos, your personal data locked. Your friends, other person can able to access your photos, no, until giving a permission. Until giving a permission. The same way, AWS is a public access. Your home page is locked by default. Your VPC is private area. So which we creating resources outside people like this, other VPC network, other networks can't be able to access until giving access. What is VPC, guys, please? A virtual private cloud, your private section of AWS, where when we replace the resources, who can access, who cannot access, we're going to be writing the rules and regulation. Based on that, based on the rules and regulation, outside people can able to access. Who can access, who cannot access. Okay, right. That is exactly VPC. What is EC2, guys, please? Elastic Cloud Compute. Elastic Cloud Compute. So cloud is nothing but internet. Compute is nothing but what exactly, please? EC2, RAM, CPU, motherboard, this hard disk. These are all things we calling as a computing. Elastic in the sense of what, please? Which already discussed. Elastic is nothing but what exactly? Increasing, decreasing our infrastructure at any point of time based on the customers. Based on the customers. That is exactly the example of Flipkart example. Okay, which already discussed. The combination of these three words we calling as a EC2. The combination of these three words we calling as a EC2. So EC2 gives what? Servers. Server has what exactly, please? Yeah, same exactly what exactly we have in laptop. Your desktop, the same thing. CPU, operating system, hard disk, yeah. RAM, firewall, network. These are all we calling as a. In server also we have the same component, same thing. These are all we calling as a computing power. But cloud, AWS cloud doesn't give you basic computer. It gives only servers. That we calling as a EC2 instances. EC2 instances. That's it. So what I'm trying to tell you guys, please, we're going to be creating a network, and top up we're going to be creating a servers. Clear? I hope you understood very clearly. Okay. For example, for your understanding, let us go for Hotstar, Netflix, Prime Video, anything, any kind of website. Okay, fine. For your understanding. Right. Very clear. Very clear, guys, please. Okay. So this application, please. So we deployed onto the EC2. We're deploying onto the EC2 instance, guys. We're deploying onto the EC2 instance. But the server, where exactly we keeping, guys, please? In VPC network. First, we have to create a network. On top of, we're going to be creating a server. On top of the server, we're going to be deploying this application. Example for your explanation purpose. Then we can able to access our internet, this website, through our internet, through browser, we can able to access like this. Clear? Very clear. But my question is very clear here. But where we can able to maintain our customer information, login information, email address, phone number, address, subscription information, where we can able to maintain, that should be under databases, So VPC gives you network. On top of, we're going to be creating a server. We're going to be deploying our application. But our application data or information or customer information maintaining in database. RDS gives you the relational database services, gives you like MySQL, Oracle, PostgreSQL, those kind of services we can able to get by RDS. RDS gives you AWS, Amazon Web Services, provides database services. Yeah, I hope you understand. Then S3, please. Then S3. Then S3. What is S3? S3 is nothing but S4. For example, in this Hotstar, so these are all the movies, these movies. If it is a Blu-ray print, the minimum size is 3 GB. Sorry, 3 GB to 15 GB. For example, those kind of larger files can able to store into databases. The larger kind of files can able to inserting into R tables, database tables? No. So that is the reason we are using S3. Simple storage services. Our AWS first service is S3. In the entire cloud itself, the first cloud provider is AWS itself. That too, S3 is the first service. Simple storage services. We can able to insert. We can able to store anything. We can able to store anything. Any kind of file, audio files, video files, doc, PDF, image, or any kind of format, we can able to inserting into this S3 bucket. But it is converting it automatically as an object form. It is converting into automatically. It is converting into the automatically object form. That is the reason we are going to be accessing anything over internet. S3 bucket example is Google Drive. The Google Drive example, please. Everybody know how exactly Google Drive works. The same way our S3 bucket works also. We can able to upload anything and we can able to access our internet from anywhere in the world. Guys, please. That is exactly S3 bucket. Okay. I hope you understood very clear. Okay, fine, very good. That is what exactly cloud. So by helping of cloud, what I'm trying to tell you, we can able to get this infrastructure and we can able to maintain our application properly. Okay, we can able to get either physically or virtually our AWS cloud. What is the cloud and what is AWS? We understood for today. What is the cloud? What is the cloud, please? And what is AWS? We understood very clearly for today. Tomorrow we will discuss about. Please. And what are the distinguish between physical environment and virtual environment and cloud? And what is the server also? What is the server? And what are the server? What is the physical servers? What are the virtual servers? What are the cloud servers? What is the difference between? These are all the servers we'll discuss on tomorrow's session, guys. Please. Okay, fine, very good. Okay, so we're discussing in this AWS around maybe will take around maybe 65 classes. 1 second. 65 classes. 65 classes. That means more than 2 months plus. Okay, we'll discuss about this time. The time is please 7 a.m. and the class Monday, please. Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday, guys, please. Okay, please. Okay. Any technical question, please ask me in the chat box. Any questions, please? Recordings will be provided. Yes, please. Recordings will be provided, guys, please. Yeah, please. Any questions, guys, please? Any question in the chat box, please? Amit, Kumari, Dilip Kumar, Harish, Jeevan, Mukesh, Rajesh, Shivam, and Somat. What is the difference between DevOps with AWS? DEVOps, I think so, maybe. Shivam, I think so. Okay. DevOps with AWS and AWS today's class. Nothing else, please. Shivam, please try to understand me. For example, for implementing a DevOps process, we require a server, we require a infrastructure from where we can able to get through AWS. That's it. Shivam, please. Okay, DevOps with AWS. Okay. So, are you become a AWS engineer or else are you become a DevOps engineer? Yes, please. Okay. So, AWS is nothing but by using AWS we can able to get a infrastructure. We are becoming AWS admin for providing an infrastructure to maintaining our application. But what is AWS? DevOps, please? DevOps is implementing a process on SDLC. But while implementing the SDLC process, we require infrastructure. That infrastructure we can able to get from AWS. Both are same, but the role is different. That's it. Okay, that is Shivam. And Jeevan, please wait. Please, yeah, please will discuss. Yeah, please, Shivam. This session only for AWS, Shivam. Please, for your information, this session only AWS. Okay. If you want to join DevOps at 6 o'clock, please. 6 o'clock in the morning, we have a demo DevOps sessions. Evening 7 o'clock, DevOps. Okay. Please choose the timings. And at 7 for this session only AWS. There is no including DevOps. This session only specifically designed for AWS. Okay, please. Okay, please. Sure. Okay. Then, yeah, it is certificate level. Mukesh, yes. You can do the certification also. Yeah. So Shivam, I am telling you parallelly we can able to continue. Shivam, AWS with DevOps, both parallel. Okay. And Jivan Kumar, please. Yeah, please wait. I will. Yeah, please, Jivan, please talk to me. Ask.
Yes, sir. Hi, sir. Good morning. So actually, what I am asking here, before going to learning AWS, anything required to learn like Linux or basic fundamental, or nothing required?
Yeah, good question. So basic Linux. Basic Linux. That's more than okay.
Okay.
But
okay, sir.
So the basic Linux is going to be, don't worry. I'm going to be share you recorded sessions of Linux. Go through once, maybe 10 to 12 classes we have. I will share that, please. Don't worry.
Okay, fine, thanks.
Okay, basic Linux.
Yeah.
So if you registered with our admin, they will share recorded sessions. Okay. If you registered with our admins, they will provide a recorded sessions, a basic Linux. Okay. the 10 to 12 classes we have to go through that one. Okay. And one more thing. So the beauty of this course is actually AWS is 4 parts, and actually for information, please try to understand this. AWS, you are okay. AWS CLI, AWS CS, and AWS SDK. Okay. So we covering this thing. Okay, the same thing which exactly discussed in GR, the same thing will cover in CL and CF also. That will take, that's what 2 months. It will take around maybe 2.5 months also. That's what. Okay, so it's a graphical layer. But then we'll discuss about CL also. We'll discuss CF also. That is the beauty. That is the beauty of this course.
What is exactly CF, sir? CF?
CF is nothing but a cloud formation. We're writing a script. So this is command line. We're executing a command, we're going to be creating a server. But Geo is nothing but like your website. Just clicking, you're choosing the clicks, and we can able to like your website, like an Flipkart website, like a website. But CL is not like it. We had to execute a command that we're going to be covering. CF is nothing but a script. We're going to be writing a script, and we're going to be executing a script. We're going to be creating a server. That's it. Okay. SDK is nothing but a document. So you require for Java, .NET people require. You should learn Java. Then only we can able to use SDK or .NET or Python. Not required. So we're not using it. Openings not like we don't have any openings in SDK. Okay. So as a AWS engineer, as a AWS admin, we have to learn this three. Okay. SDK is not belongs to us. That is the development part. That is belongs to developers, not us. You are admins. We are become a admin role. Our jobs in admin. Okay. For example, if we have 100 openings, so 95 openings on admin role, but only development role 5. There is also an existing experience zone. We have which are already developers, which are already running 6 to 5 years in Java developer. Those people can able to use that. Not for them. Don't be confused, okay? Don't be confused.
So after this, sir, so after this class, you will provide certification like.
Can you repeat this question?
So could you please provide the certification as well after completing the class?
Certification you have to apply your own way. This is certification level syllabus. You have to apply your own maybe 10,000 rupees around maybe certification associate, certification architect. 2 types of certification we have in AWS. You have to apply. But as a for getting a job, certification not. Okay, for getting a job, certification not required. For applying interviews not required. But after getting a job, if make client required, then you're going to be apply certification. After getting a job, if you're trying to apply, the company will bear your money. That is better. Who are all already in the job, for better position in your office, then you're going to go applying a certification. Until unless I'm not recommended to certification. Okay. That is
Sir, so in my office, people are recommending to learn Azure cloud.
For getting a job, not required. After getting a job, you are already in an office. For client requirement, based on the client requirement, you have to do certification. That your company will bear your certification cost. That's it.
Sir, in our organization, people are recommending to learn Azure. So how much differ between the Azure and this AWS?
So Azure, AWS is no much different. Both are using same. Both purposes same. But once you learn AWS, then you choose for Azure also. I'm recommend to both. Not AWS only, not Azure only. See, if you want to technically, both are equal. Okay, as in the market. So, like for example, Jeevan Kumar. So, I'm going to be asking you one question. For example, you are buying a laptop, so or a mobile or a shirt or pant. Which is a preferred website, Flipkart or Amazon?
Yeah, Amazon, because this is trustable and since long time we are knowing that AWS.
My is Flipkart. My mobile I'm going to be buying with the Flipkart. The same prospect to company side also. Based
Okay,
on the
okay,
company to
okay.
company change either Azure or AWS. Okay,
Yeah, got it.
that's what that means. First learn one thing, the second thing you should learn more. That's it.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
sir. Okay,
fine. Thank you so much. Thank you for valuable time. And we will meet on the same timing. We'll discuss about what is the difference between physical servers, virtual servers, and cloud servers. And I will show you please, and how can able to create a cloud service, and how can able to use this cloud service, how can able to get into that, what is the Linux, how can able to execute Linux commands. In this we'll experience tomorrow, day after tomorrow, slowly we'll digest one by one. Okay, and if anything else, please talk to our admin. uh,
okay, sir.
please, if anything else, please talk to our admin. Okay. Share this to everyone. I think one second. Yeah, please. If anything else, any question, any kind of question, please feel talk to our admins with this number, with this email. Thank you, guys. So we will meet more at exactly 7. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. जाने क्यों लोग प्यार करते हैं, जाने क्यों